In this video, we are going to be learning how to create a new mailbox in AOL Mail application. To create a new mailbox in AOL Mail is a straightforward process, so make sure you follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, start by tapping open AOL Mail application and make sure to log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged into the account, click on the Inbox button at the bottom left-hand corner. Click on the Inbox option once again and scroll down and click on Create New Folder. You will need to enter a name for your folder. Once you are done, click on Save. After naming your new mailbox and saving the change, you will be able to see your mailbox created and listed. That is how you will be able to create a new mailbox on AOL Mail. You can now start using it to organize your emails. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.